Hi, my name is Mike Duyck. I'm a retired fire chief and firefighter and now the senior advisor for emergency technical decon. It's January, Firefighter Cancer Awareness Month. It's a time that I always think back of all the things that we've learned over the years about cancer in the fire service and things we didn't know that I wish we would have, but the things we know today and the things we continue to learn every day, new ideas because of the great research community and the work that's being done to help firefighters understand the risks and more than anything, how to prevent themselves from contracting cancer. You know, I know this is the month that we all really buckle down and think about cancer in the fire service. The fact is we should be doing this every day. And I'm just thankful that there's technologies out there that can help protect firefighters. They're devoting their lives to protect their communities, and they should be made aware and have available the greatest technologies out there to protect themselves throughout their career and on into their retirements.